Feel like I'm walking on water since the day that I asked your father to let go of his daughter. So give me your blessing, sir. I'll give her all that I have. It doesn't look like much, but it sure feels like a lot.